Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you guys how I made Tigernut juice using Zobo leaves water. I had to boil Zobo leaves, then use the water to blend my Tigernut and other ingredients. So here I have my dates. So first of all, I had to wash it and soak it in water so it can soften before I can finally remove the seed inside. So this is my Tigernut. I had to soak it overnight so that in the morning it will soften before I can now blend. So this is my Zobo leaves, hibiscus flower, but we call it Zobo leaves here. So I had to wash it very well. I had to remove the dirt particles inside. So after that, I had to wash it, transferred it into a clean pot, added water, and now set it on fire so it can boil for like 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching my videos. So this is me trying to add water inside after washing it so I can now finally set it on fire. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching my videos. This Zobo leaf, it comes in two different forms. There is this one that is very tiny or smaller in sizes. So here it is boiling, and after a few minutes I had to bring it down from fire, allowed it to cool down before I now sieved. So here I have my coconut and ginger. I also used it. So all the ingredients are ready. Here is my Tigernut, very soft. This is my plain Zobo water, and here is my coconut, as you can see. Then my dates, as you can see, and ginger. As you can see, I've removed the seeds inside the dates. So the next one is to transfer into my blender. Then added the Zobo water, then blend, as you can see in this video. So after I was done blending it, I had to transfer it into my slow juicer so that it can juice out the juice. So as you can see in this video. So after I was done juicing it, I had to also sieve in order to remove any particles inside, as you can see in this video. So after sieving, I had to transfer it into my juice can. As you can see in this video, the next is to cover and refrigerate and enjoy when sure. Thanks for watching.